Hello, traders. Just about 3 o'clock-ish, Monday, the 28th of October, 2019. E from MarketWizards.com and EminiWizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. Now, we noted the breakout overnight, attempting to get to the next level, which we thought would be the 42s. That was our next target that we had posted in our room at the conclusion of trading on Friday. Got that early today, and then we backed and filled a little bit, which we thought it might do. And without any real substantial energy, once we got up into that 42 range, just some little backing and filling. If we take a look at a couple of other charts, it'd be helpful. 5-minute chart, out of the gate, squeeze, pull back, and sideways, and a drift up. We had the 15-minute chart as well as the 30 in play. Push, pull back. Nothing substantial they sink your teeth into during RTH, but nevertheless, the pattern is there. Traded overnight, sideways, and then the push out of the gate, and trap traders we thought would have to pay up. So far, that's been true. Step by step, predictive market, 27.5. The flipper, we said 28 support. Let's use that. And obviously, until support breaks, that's in control. From Friday, we end of the day called 16 support. Prior to that, we had called that 11. So in our terminology, we are achieving step by step the targets that logically make sense. Next target we have identified as the 47s to 48s. And who knows whether we get that today or overnight or 3 weeks from now. You never know. All we know is that shorts have been trapped. We're in a MBO, which is a multiple breakout. And the market has been scooting higher ever so slowly today. Looking at the yearly chart, that wedge that we have talked about now for a month or so has come together and come out the top. So the question is, can it remain above that breakout? And we'll be keeping an eye on that in the weeks ahead. Looking at the monthly chart, we'll obviously be keeping an eye on that prior high. And that's part of the multiple breakout. And above it, we're trying to find the next resistance zone. We've got the 48 to 53 as our next targets. So those are our resistance targets right now. And here's our daily chart with some moving averages. We can see how we got ourselves back above the blue line and have been scooting upwards. Keep an eye on the green, the red. All of these lines are important for now. We're going to keep our eye obviously on the green line. That's the first supportive one. And here's our 2-day chart. Breakout back here, support. And certainly got a wedge there that we will need to monitor. And we started the day today, aggressive support, 28. So that's our current support for now until proven otherwise. Step by step. Always so easy in hindsight, isn't it? And this is our off week where I rest my eyes a little bit, take a little time off, still make some posts in the trading room. We'll start next Monday. Anybody wants to join us, the sooner you join, the sooner you can come on in and get some of the things that we are posting. Anybody that signs up for the next training session that begins Monday, we will get immediate access to our live trading room, the Slack room. All right, be well. Hope you're having a good day, and keep smiling.